Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to draw straight vertical line in MS Word. So very easy and simple method I will show you draw this straight vertical line in MS Word. So firstly you need to click on insert. You see this insert tab. So click on it. Now you need to click on shapes and here you see this lines. So you need to select this first line. And now need to draw this line. So firstly you need to press the shift key and draw this vertical line. So you can very easily draw this straight vertical line. You see this and you change the color also. You can customize this line and change the color also. Simply double click on it and you see this format. So here you customize this line like effect, shape effect, like 3D, rotate and other. You can very easily customize and draw this line. So this way you can easily draw vertical straight line in MS Word. So thanks for watching this video. Please comment this video and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.